In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an ATS-friendly resume in Microsoft Word. I won't be changing the content of the resume, only the formatting, so it becomes fully ATS compliant. When you submit a resume online, it first goes through an applicant tracking system, so the formatting needs to be simple, readable, and easy for the system to parse. Let's jump right in. First, here's the resume format we're starting with, so we know what needs to be fixed. Watch till the end, because I will give you the exact Word pre-made template that you can edit, change, or replace according to your needs. It's a ready-to-use document file, so keep watching. ATS systems scan your resume, analyze your text, compare your qualifications to the job description, and then rank you. Only high-scoring resumes move forward, so formatting is extremely important. Here are the key guidelines we'll follow while formatting this resume in Microsoft Word. Do not use templates. Always use a standard Word document and save it as a .doc file because not all ATS systems can read .docs, RTF, or image formats. Use simple formatting. Avoid headers, footers, borders, lines, symbols, shading, text boxes, and multiple columns. Bullet points are fine. Customize your resume for each job using keywords from the job description. ATS systems don't respond well to generic one-size-fits-all resumes. Use specific terms like Adobe Photoshop instead of image editing software. Use your keywords in full sentences and bullet points, not just in a skills list. ATS systems value context. Edit carefully. ATS systems don't recognize misspelled words. And once your resume passes ATS, a human will read it, so accuracy matters. Also make sure your optimized resume does not include special characters or accented words. Do not use punctuation in your name. Keep everything in a single column format. Use clean, readable fonts like Arial, Calibri, Georgia, Tahana, or Verdona at 11 points or higher. Always include months in your dates and align your dates to the right. Avoid condensed or expanded text because ATS systems cannot read altered spacing. Use proper capitalization and punctuation so the system can correctly parse and categorize your information. Always spell out full terms along with abbreviations and acronyms. And that's the foundation we'll follow to make this resume fully ATS-friendly in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. First, begin with your header. Add your full name at the top, followed by your email, phone number, and location. Keep this section simple so ATS systems can read it clearly. Next, add a profile section. Write a short paragraph highlighting your overall experience, strengths, and the type of work you do. In this example, the summary explains over 3 years of administrative support experience, strong organizational skills, and confidentiality handling. After that, move into the work experience section. Start with your current role. Include the job title, company name, and dates. Add bullet points describing your responsibilities, focusing on measurable or clear tasks such as managing calendars, coordinating travel, maintaining supplies, or assisting with events. Then add your previous positions in reversed chronological order. Include the same details, job title, company, dates, and bullet points describing your key contributions. Make sure each bullet begins with an action verb and stays concise. Next, add your education section. Start with your highest qualification. Include the degree name, U's attended, university name, and your final CGPA if it's strong. Then list your earlier qualification the same way. After education, add a skills section. List your core skills as short, simple items. For this resume, that includes software proficiency, data entry, organizational skills, communication, problem solving, customer service, attention to detail, and language fluency. Keep all formatting clean. No columns, no text boxes, no shapes, no icons, and no templates. Use simple fonts, consistent spacing, and bullet points. And that's it. That's how you recreate an organized professional resume using Microsoft Word. You can download this doc template from the video description and edit it according to your needs. If this video helped, like, comment, and subscribe for more quick and helpful tutorials.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.